Now it's our time for our day 2 exercises. So if we look here, we're going to start on page 10 instead of page 9. We're looking at page 10. So we sometimes I do this because it makes things a little bit easier. So here we go. Number 1 says, which country is in Asia? Which country is in Asia? And we have two choices here. We have Vietnam, and Kenya, Kenya, Vietnam, and Kenya. Some of you might already know the answers, but we can always look at our map. So, before we keep looking at our map, I want you to think about a couple things. First, well, on our map, where are the continents? Well, we can see them here. North America, South America, Europe, Asia, Australia, Africa, and the invisible one we can't see is Antarctica. But there's something that we should think about. What color are the letters for the continents? What color are they? Well, here is Asia. It's in white letters. Here is Africa. That's in white letters too. And how about North America over here? They're in white letters too. So all of the continents are in white letters. Then, what is this? Canada, England, Morocco, Kenya, China. These are countries, and the countries are in black letters. But there's something very peculiar. Peculiar means strange. If we look down here, well, we see Australia is in black, but there's a different word that is in white. It says Oceana. Oceana. What is that? It's O-she-an-a. Oceania. Now, because Australia is the country, but the continent covers all of these countries over here too, and each one of these islands, almost every single one is in the country, well, people started calling it Oceania instead. So it means all of these little islands are all part of Oceania, and Australia is one of the countries in it. Now, do you remember our first question? Which country is in Asia? Well, first we need to find Asia, and then we see China. Well, one of our choices was not China, but hey, what's this? Kenya. One of our choices was Kenya, but Kenya we can see is in Africa. So that means, oh, here it is, Vietnam. Vietnam is in Asia. So our answer will be Vietnam. Now, how about our next question? Question number 2 asks, which country is in Africa? And it says Morocco and China. Morocco and China. And I'm sure you already know China is in Africa? Nope, China is in Asia. So Morocco must be the right answer. But can you find it on our map? Let's take a look at our map. Are you looking? Where should we look? We should look in Africa. And in Africa, here is Kenya, and here is Morocco. So our answer for number 2, Morocco is in Africa. Now, here's number 3. It says, which country is in Australia? Well, we talked about this a little bit at the beginning, but it's a tricky question. It says Mexico and Australia. And we know, well, which one's in Australia? Australia is in Australia. But where is Mexico? Do you know where Mexico is? Can you find it on our map? Look. Is it in Oceania? Is it in Asia? Is it in Europe or Africa? South America or North America? There it is in North America. Mexico is in North America. Now, question number 4 asks, which country is in North America? Well, we just said Mexico is in North America. Is that the only one? Nope, it's going to be one of these two, and it says Chile. Chile and Canada. Chile or Canada. And I'm pretty sure you know the answer because if we go down here, and we've talked about it many times, in North America is Canada. So our answer for number 4 is Canada. Now, number 5 says, which country is in South America? Which country is in South America? And we have Col, Be, Colombia, and remember this one? Not Ger, but Ger, Germany, Germany. And, well, do you remember where Germany was? Germany belongs to Europe, right? So that must mean Colombia must be in South America. So we find South America. And, oh, look at that. Here's Chile. Chile is in South America. But, oh, what's that? Colombia. Colombia is in South America. So our answer for number 5, Colombia. Now, number 6 says, which country is in Europe? Which country is in Europe? It says the USA and England. Oh, I remember seeing England somewhere before. Oh, and it was does. Does England belong to? Oh, does England belong to? Well, we know the USA. Remember where the USA is? The USA is in North America, so that must mean in Europe, here is Germany, and beside is England. Here is England. So, which country is in Europe? It's England. Real easy, right? So, let's go on to the page before, actually, to page 9. Now, there's lots of words here, and I'm sure some of you can even read them and do this on your own. So if you want to, you can try. But if you want to do it together and you want to come back and check, well, you can do that as well. So here we go. Letter A says, what is a country in North America? What is a country in North America? So when we need to find the answer here, well, do we want to read every single word in every single box? No. We could, but it'll take a long time. What we need to do is find an answer that says a country in North America. So our answer will probably have North America inside of it. Is North America here? Nope. Here? No. Here? Nope. Here? Oh, wait a second. North America. North America. And it says Canada is in North America. Whoa! Is that the right answer? Yes, it is. Now, here is B. What is a country in South America? A country in South America. What country can I find in South America here? Well, this one says Europe, this one says land. Here's North America, it says sea, ocean, near. Oh, Brazil is in South America. Oh, what is a country in South America? Brazil is a country in South America. There we go. Now, letter C says, what is a country in Europe? A country in Europe. Well, we need to find an answer with Europe inside of it. Did you find it already? If you said number 2, you're right, because it says France is in Europe. Now, letter D. This becomes tough. What is a gulf? There's no continent for us to find. What is a gulf? What was a gulf? Now, if you close your eyes and try to remember, what did that picture look like? Well, there was land, and there was water, and the water it was the sea. And the sea looked like it was poking way up into the land. So the gulf was talking about the land, or was it talking about the water? The gulf, well, it's talking about the water that was poking in, right? So we need an answer that tells us about water. So let's take a look. Number 1 says, it is a large part of ocean. Ocean is water. It's a large part of the ocean. It's a large part of water that is close to land. But hey, look at number 5. It says, it is the land along or near a sea or ocean. It is the land along or near a sea. Is this telling us about the land or is it telling us about the sea? It's telling us about the land. It is the land. So, is the Gulf the land? Nope. It's a part of ocean. So, we know that D is number 1. Now, letter E says, what is a landmass? What is a landmass? And remember our example? Asia is a landmass. Europe is a landmass. Well, it's definitely land. The number 5 says land, but it says land along or near a sea. But is that really all of Asia? Is it really all of Europe? No. Well, what about number 3? It says it is a very large area of land. A large area. A landmass like Asia is a large, that's right. A landmass is a very large area of land. And letter F, what is a coast? What is a coast? Was the coast this ocean, the sea, or was it the land? It's the land that is near the sea or ocean. It follows along the sea and the ocean. So if we look here on our map, I can even draw it for you. We see here is North America, if you can tell, and all this part that meets the ocean here is the coast. Here too, this is the coast, where the land and the ocean meet. Okay, so we are done our exercises for day 3. Now we're going to look at our vocabulary for these are our exercises for day 2. We're going to look at our words for day 3 and 4 next time. So I'll see you